The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for Central Cobb County in south-central Kentucky until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:27 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Elkton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of central Cobb County, including the following locations: Everett and Justice. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.